an infographic, you want to visualize your data. We are visualizing our data in a pie chart. So search for the column graph tool in the left toolbox and choose the pie graph option. So when you draw a frame around it, you can see the circle will appear. On the first row, you can enter information about your data. In our case, that is flavors, like strawberry, lemon, and peach. In the second row, you're going to enter your data, like 30%, 30%, and 40%. When you're done, you can click on the check mark, apply, and you can see your pie graph is appearing now on your screen. If you select your graph tool, you can choose for different fonts for your agenda. And when you click on the white arrow, the direct selection tool, you can select different parts of the pie graph so that you can change, for example, the colors. But don't forget to adjust the same colors in the agenda, otherwise your pie graph data will be messed up. So we've chosen different colors for our pie chart, and you can see we do have an outline, and in our final infographic it looks better when we don't have an outline for our pie graph. So in the stroke panel we choose none. Our figure looks a little flat. And what we want to do is to change it into a 3D model that looks like a donut actually. The first step is to select your pie chart and then go to Object and Ungroup. A warning will appear that the selection contains a graph. After a graph is ungrouped, you will no longer be able to access its graph style data or change its graphic design. That is fine because we already have the data correct. The next step is to unlink every part of the circle that is still connected to the legenda. Go to the part you want to unlink, Control click or right mouse click on Windows and click on Ungroup. It's important that you ungroup every part of the pie chart. When you have that done, you can see that you can click on every part of this figure. Select the circle and group the circle together because we want to use the circle to make the donut. Make a little circle in the other circle and try to align it horizontal and vertical so that you have the little circle really in the middle of the bigger circle. When you're done, select both of the circles and we're going to use the Shape Builder tool. When you roll over the circle, there's a field appearing with a plus. When you hold Alt, a minus will appear. Click on the inner circle while holding Alt and you will see you will get rid of the parts you don't want. Your graph still looks a little bit flat. That's why we're going to add an effect over the graph. So go to Effects and choose 3D and choose Extrude and Bevel. You will get a screen and please press on Preview so you can see what the end result will be. And change the angle of the 3D effect, and when you're done you can just click on OK. You can also apply this for your legenda, only for the colors. So adjust the colors, go to Effect again, 3D, Extrude and Bevel, and choose the right amount of effect you would like to achieve. You can move everything easily to the left or to the right, because every element of the pie chart is ungrouped now. And this is the final result of your cool 3D pie graph.